Welcome to the podcast.
Oh,
And we have
7.
7 days?
Oh, wait, no.
special guest.
43.
Yeah, I'm gonna do 43.
43 days to
Yes.
go? Wow.
Okay. And the
Okay.
special guest is
And are you happy that you're doing podcast with
Hi,
Mama?
Mom. Yeah.
Hi, it's me.
Can we do this again?
Yeah.
Jobs
In the next episode
Mom.
Tomorrow.
I'm Joyce Albayon.
Original,
Bye.
yeah. I didn't tell you the name. Why? I didn't even count in the.
Oh,
In the
7.
okay.
7 days?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, no. 43.
43.
Yeah, I'm gonna do 43.
43
Thank you for
days to go?
inviting me in your podcast.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay.
What are you
Okay.
going to talk about today?
And
Yes.
are you happy that you're
Congratulations
doing
on
podcast with
your
Mama?
podcast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Can we do this again?
Yeah, just don't.
Yeah, in the
You're
next
doing
episode.
great.
Tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
You talk.
Also about year 3, how many days do we need?
Yeah, congratulations on your third
7.
anniversary.
7
Yeah.
days?
And how many?
Oh, wait, no. 43.
43.
Never mind. Yeah. Okay.
43 days to go?
Bye.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay. See you later.
Okay.
Adoy.
Me?
Oh, 7.
7 days?
Oh, wait, no. 43.
43.
Yeah, I'm gonna do 43.
43 days to go? Wow. Okay. And are you happy that you're doing podcast with Mama?
Yeah.
Can we do this again?
Yeah, in the next episode.
Tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
So how many days are left before your third anniversary? How many? Hello again! It's me, Mama! And welcome to
Joyce
Albayon Podcast! And we are on our episode
7.
7. Hello! This is our
Podcast.
and we are now in our episode
7.
wow 7. We're on episode 7 already.
Yeah, 7. Oh yeah, episode 7. We completed 7. So
How many episodes are you going to do?
I asked you.
How many? How many?
I just. Yeah. Just look at that. Look at that.
What?
43. Look at
43.
Look at that.
What?
43. Look at
43.